Hello students, 7th class English notes poem Homes. Comprehension. First main, answer the following questions. First question, make a list of the names of animals you find in the poem. The names of animals are snail, whale, bee, bunny, dog, frog, bird. Second one, complete the following statements. If the poet had been a snail, she or he would have lived inside a dash. If the poet had been a snail, she or he would have lived inside a shell. If she or he were a little bird, she or he would live inside a dash. If she or he were a little bird, she or he would live inside a nest. If the poet had been born a bee, she or he would have lived in a dash. If the poet had been born a bee, she or he would have lived in a noisy hive. If you were a tree, you would dash. If you were a tree, you would give shelter to birds. If you had been a cloud, you would have dash. If you have been a cloud, you would have give rain. Second main, identify the rhyming words from the poem for each of the words given below and then add a word of your own. One example is given. First one, snail, whale, tail. C, T, B. Dog, frog, fog. Nest, best, rest. Bird, child, cold or mild.